believe moving them from here to Okigwe Park is a good one.
People don't feel bad. The respectable government allowed us to stay for this market to settle time what is supposed to promote.
From the onset, I didn't like it because one, it will affect the customers. The customers got to reduce, and it's just like they are starting afresh.
This is ancient market. Even the past government tried, but the spirit is here.
You know, we have already beat customers here. Tomorrow they now ask us to go to Okigwe Park. After some months, they now ask us to go to Afara. It's not good now.
The issue is that this place is not convenient for traders and even those buying from them. Even though it's closer to me, but I prefer them going to that place because this place is just, let me just say, is at the center of the town. It's at the center of the town. This market is supposed not to be here.
The evacuation of Isi Gate market area in Abia State is now at an advanced stage. Governor Alex Otti and his team are getting closer to the moment where all the traders are going to leave. So that's the updates that I have to share with you in this very video. So I'm going to take you through the entire process from where the whole situation is at this very point. I'm sure you're already aware, at the beginning when I mentioned that evacuation are already going shanties within the ShopRite area. And as if you're heading to gates, they are already demolishing all of them and asking them to leave. How they are done? The last time I went through that area, they already barricading it. And at these very points, it is now the discussion about the central Isi Gate area, where you have people with, shops and business areas. That's exactly the next line of action. And the conversation have always been, where will they go to? I remember in that last video that I did, I mentioned the fact that I'm predicting it's going to be the Okigwe area. And right now, that is the new destination, temporal destination, by the way, before the normal market that the state government is building will be finished and they will move there. So the point of this video is that the moment the Umuahia bus terminal get commissioned by the 29th or after 29th of this month, all the motor parks within Okigwe, within the gate area, will now enter into the bus terminal. And the next movement will now be the shop areas will now relocate to the Okigwe Park. So the Abia State government, through the Umuahia Capital Development Authority, has reportedly begun moves to clear and decongest Isi Gate access. The operation is targeting roadside traders, makeshift shops, street markets, and areas around the new bus terminal. Officials says that the move is part of the urban renewal and sanitation agenda of Governor Alex Otti. 48-hour evacuation notice. One of the biggest updates is that traders said that they were given 48 hours ultimatum to vacate the area and move to the new location as soon as the date is fully set. Now, a lot of traders have also said they are not in support of the movement, and some others have said it is the right way to go. But I think it is very important that the Umuahia Isi Gate area should be relocated, and then so that place will be beautified. And it can also match up with what the governor has done so far, from the Abia Tower to Abia Square, from Abia Square to, the Isi Gate area, so that the entire place will look better. So traders are completely divided on this discussion. Some are saying, yes, the relocation is needed, while others are saying that they are not in support of the relocation because they already have, customers who already know where they stay. So moving to a new location will be very difficult for them to start all over again. And the conversation have also been about the Okigwe Park. Would it be enough to accommodate all the traders at that Isi Gate area? Is the new debate from traders as well. I'm sure you watched the video at the beginning of this very conversation where the traders within the Isi Gate area were lamenting on the need for this very relocation. Not in support of it is where majority of them stand. But some others support Otti's government. They are also willing to relocate, but they want the government to complete the permanent site first before they can relocate, instead of moving them twice at the same time. They move to Okigwe, and once the new market is fully done, they will now relocate again, and they are saying it's not the right way to go. Now, major complaints from traders are that the major issue now is the relocation arrangement. The government reportedly asked some traders to move temporarily to Okigwe Park, but traders insist that the location is too small and cannot contain everybody operating at Isi Gate. Many traders instead asking the government to quickly finish the proposed market site at Oriogu Afara before enforcing total evacuation. So the allegation of a harassment, some traders have also accused the UCDA, that's the Umuahia Capital Development Authority officials, and task force teams of harassment and intimidation during enforcement activities. Right, so this is where we are at this very point. Some pictures have been posted on Facebook for these or based on these very allegations as it stands now. So according to Governor Alex Otti's government and their position, the government has reportedly said that the exercise is not meant to punish traders and force will not be used while relocating them. That was exactly one of the positions that Ferdinand Ekoma mentioned, that is exactly where the state government stands. And the aim is to restore order, sanitation and free movement around the Isi Gate area. Politically, this is becoming one of the boldest urban restructuring moves by Governor Alex Otti's administration in Umuahia. Supporters say that Isi Gate has become chaotic for years and needs total transformation. Traffic and illegal trading became excessive within the Isi Gate area, and the cleanup is necessary for modernization. Critics, however, argue that the relocation process is not yet properly organized, and poor traders may suffer economically if handled aggressively. But it's not going to be aggressive because, like I pointed out, the state government have already said that the relocation process is going to be peaceful, no force will be used, as the Okigwe Park have been pointed out. Now, but I don't know where you stand in this very debate from the traders. Some of them are saying that, yes, they are in support of the relocation, but going to Okigwe Park is the one that they are not fully in support of. What are they saying? That Okigwe Park will not be able to contain all the shops and businesses within the Isi Gate area. And that's true. But another point is that the buildings within Isi Gate will not be pulled down. It's the shanties and the shootouts that will be pulled down. So I think, yes, there might be some level of, issue of space at the Okigwe Park. But I think the main relocation is going to be the people occupying the center of that Isi Gate, where you don't have shops. Those people with umbrellas every single day. Those people with shop shanties are the ones that the state government are asking to relocate. Where you're going to understand the wonders of what is going on is when you go to the ShopRite area, then you're going to see what the state government is doing there, right? The shanties are around that area already destroyed and beautification already ongoing. They've barricaded it, and it's going to be part of what I mentioned in one of my videos regarding the rail line that is coming to Umuahia as well. According to the state government, the station park is going to be relocated at this Isi Gate area where these traders will be evacuating. So work already been done from the ShopRite area down to Isi Gate. So this is more like the latest to the relocation and the cleanup of Isi Gate access by Governor Alex Otti. Where do you stand? Should the permanent site be fully, done and the traders will relocate there permanently, or are you in support of a temporary, evacuation to Okigwe Park before the main site is fully completed? What exactly is your position? Do let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video. But before you go, don't forget to like this one, drop a comment, and as well as hit the notification bell so you can get notified each time a video drops on Frank Specs. Until then, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the
side the bank road. Never be your last bus stop. Like I said, the bank road.